family members, good morning. Happy new month. Yeah, happy new month and happy Easter. As you all can see, work in progress, and that is why everywhere is looking scattered. So I don't want to arrange everything once and for all. Not like when I arrange it now, somebody will come to come and do this and they'll scatter it again. She and why I mean, I am not anybody's. But yeah, hello, chin chin. So guys, today I'll be what will I be doing? So I actually got a power bank because of the nature of my work and all of that. Ignore I'm actually like this. The work people, they're actually still coming. They're coming to do their work, and when they finish, someone will be there. So I need to shoot that video and charge it. So I actually ordered this 4 USB power bank online. They say it is 80,000 mAh. Yup, 80,000 mAh. So I actually ordered it online. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys, and I'll be making a review. You understand? So that's why I'm actually making this video urgently. So now, as I now have 3 good power banks. I have 20 mAh, 22 mAh, and now 80 mAh. And that's because the light here is good though, it's sustainable. But then the day that the transformer spoiled, oh my Jesus, I felt it in my chest. Even when I knew I did not need to on the gen, but I just had to because I just wanted to charge my phone. I really do not really like stocking the fridge because of Nigeria lights. Because once the light just go off like this, I'm not that type that like I love cooking, but you see me person they shop plenty things I don't fit. So it's only when I have video shoot. So I had reason not to actually on the gen. But then my phone was low and I use a very big gen. How can you on gen just to charge phone? You know the fuel and everything is gonna use. So I now thought I should get a third power bank. And aside the transformer going off the other day, and times when I am shooting, I can't really remember. Aside last night when I was actually sweeping, I actually plugged my phone directly to the socket. I am always on my phone. I am always using my phone. I am always doing one thing or the other because of this editing thing, and the editing app I use, it sucks a lot of energy, a lot of power and all of that. So I actually need constant light. And at times maybe if I go out to shoot and what have you, if I don't have this thing to connect, so I can actually use my power bank. That was the reason I got this 80 mAh power bank. So guys, this morning we're going to be unboxing that 80,000 mAh power bank. Let's get it. And please, if you know anyone that is higher again, after this 80,000, the one that is remaining for me to buy now is transformer. Like transformer baga. Let me be charging with it. Abi let me moving around with snapper. So guys, stay tuned as we unbox this 80,000 mAh power bank together. So guys, this is the pack. As usual, I like to throw my packs up. And where's my scissors? See, I gave this carpenter guy my sister. He will see. You should not even be there. He has taken it to his house. I'm looking for scissors. Guys, just imagine. No, just imagine. See, I put my sister inside his bag. See, you came to work. You not put your this thing. I gave him my scissors. You put them for your bag. So that if you come and complete his work now, he will go. So guys, let's unbox this. Let's unbox this in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. And you know, of course, I used to call my village people because I have made it. I have taken another step in life. This white light they meet it to make an fan. So I'm this guy like that. I just want like. So I've used the table. Don't worry, I'm getting a table and everything. So this is how the power bank came packaged from where it was gotten. And then let's see what is there. Unboxing videos. So it came with a charger. After you stop putting this tiny charger inside power bank because you know they work. But this one is looking like it's the original because you charge it for 10 years. So unboxing my new power bank Power bank. Power bank. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. So as I used to say in my unboxing videos, I used to firstly start from the packaging. First impression, the packaging was nice. Yeah, it was nice. I give it a 8/10. Yeah, the packaging was nice, yeah. And then looking at this thing, go. Still talking about the physical appearance. I like how beautiful it is. It's actually like waiting. Is it solar panel or what? Like now solar panel. So you mean I'll be charging this with solar or like so I actually like the color. The red is actually a beautiful one. It's nice, and the back is kind of, it's still normal back of Mah MOVFA. Is heavy. So guys, what I'm going to be doing next is why I'm actually making this video, because usually they don't bring light on Sundays and now we have lights. So I'm going to be charging this up because I don't know when it's going to get full, and I'm going to be using it to charge my phone. Then I'll come back. I used to charge my iPhone and my Android phone, then I'll come back. And since I actually got it from an online store, I have 5 days to actually test it and charge it back to them if it's good or not. This thing is heavy. Oh, wofa. Jesus, it's heavy. It's heavy. Not too, it's heavy. Just like if you combine two, but it's expected. No, it's expected. So let's try this. Let's give this a try. But then I'll not be using their charger. I have one original Android charger, so I'm going to be charging this up for like. And again, I'm going to tell you how many hours it actually took to make it like get a full battery. So guys, stay tuned. Let me go charge this. So guys, I saw something again. Like it's like, so this is the fourth USB cord. Like you can charge it 4 times. You can use 4 different phones or 4 different appliances to charge it. And I can see two spaces too. I can see 2 spaces too. Look at that this thing. Is it for charging or for, okay, just 1 space for charge. I don't know what this is for, but let me charge it. After ignore this thing. So I'm charging it now. I made it at 2. This kinikon charge. So let's wait. I hope this does not take long. After how many hours? I'll actually check. I don't know. They've taken the light, so I came to disconnect and I came to make video because I want to know their actual time it took in getting full. Stay tuned as always. About now, video continues. So guys, this is the next day. Day has been like just waking up, so charging continues. So just notice that the power bank has, it hasn't gotten the third one, so finally 1 full bar, so remaining 1. I'm still basically I'm just looking up. I don't know where they took the light, so I really don't know. And the light there, don't have to, you can store it. They'll bring it when they like. It will stay long. Finally, and out of the blues, it's became full. That's after 3 days, but that 3 days is not straight 3 days, not straight 24 hours, because they keep taking the light, they keep bringing it. But let's just say plus or minus 24 hours, full 24 hours with light will actually make it full. So now I'm just going to be testing it and seeing how it will charge my phone or not.